So you want to buy a Porsche. Maybe you've been saving for years, or you've just got that promotion and you're ready to make it happen. But before you walk into that dealership and start talking numbers, there are 10 things you absolutely need to know. Some of these will save you thousands of dollars. Others might completely change which model you end up buying. Let's start with number 10. Maintenance costs are not what you think. Everyone says Porsches are expensive to maintain, and they're half right. Annual maintenance runs $1,000 to $3,000 depending on your model. Oil changes hit $300 at the dealer because they use 10 quarts of synthetic. But here's what nobody tells you. Porsches are actually more reliable than most German luxury cars. RepairPal gives them scores that beat BMW and Mercedes by a decent margin. The flat 6 engines in the 911 can go 200,000 miles with proper care. The problem is, when something breaks, it breaks expensive. A clutch replacement runs $5,000 or more. Brake jobs hit $2,000 because ceramic brakes cost serious money. The key is choosing the right model. A base Carrera with regular brakes costs way less to maintain than a Turbo S. Find an independent Porsche specialist near you. They charge half what dealers do and often know these cars better because that's all they work on every single day. Check forums and Porsche clubs for recommendations. You'll save thousands every year. Number 9. Insurance is going to hurt. A Porsche isn't a Honda Civic, and your insurance company knows it. Average insurance for a 911 runs $3,000 to $6,000 per year. That's $250 to $500 monthly. Young drivers pay even more. Some guys under 30 pay $8,000 to $10,000 yearly. What affects your rate? Your zip code matters huge. Big cities with high theft spike premiums. The model matters too. A 718 Boxster costs less to insure than a 911 Turbo. Your driving record plays in. Any tickets or accidents mean higher rates. Here's what most miss. Some companies specialize in high-performance cars. Hagerty, Grundy, American Modern understand enthusiast cars. If you limit annual mileage, you can get agreed value coverage for way less. That means if your car gets totaled, they pay what you agreed it's worth, not some depreciated book value. Number 8 surprises people. Where you live matters massively. Some states make owning a Porsche way more expensive than others. Let's talk taxes first. When you buy a $100,000 911, you pay sales tax. In California, that's 7.25% minimum, so $7,250 just gone. Some counties add more on top. Then there's registration. California charges 0.65% of your vehicle's value every single year. On a new Porsche, that's $600 to $1,000 annually. Compare that to Montana, where registration runs a couple hundred flat regardless of value. Virginia hits you with personal property tax, around 4% of value every year. On a $70,000 Cayenne, that's $2,800 per year just for the privilege of owning it. Some try registering cars in other states through LLCs, but states are cracking down hard. Don't mess with it. Then there's emissions testing. California and CARB states have the strictest requirements in the country. Modifying your car means keeping it emissions legal, or you'll fail inspection every 2 years. Winter states need winter tires for year-round driving. Those summer performance tires are completely useless in snow. A 911 with winter tires and all-wheel drive handles snow decent, but ground clearance is still an issue when it piles up. Here's number 7. Not all models hold value the same. The 911, especially manual and GT cars, hold value incredibly well. A manual GT3 barely depreciates in the first years. Some go up in value, but a base Cayenne or Panamera drops like rocks. A new Panamera loses 30 to 40% in 3 years. That's $50,000 gone on a $120,000 car. The Macan does better than Panamera, but worse than the 911. If buying new and planning to sell soon, this matters. You might buy a 2 or 3 year old Cayenne and let someone else eat depreciation. Or get a 911 with manual transmission for best retention. Colors matter. Guards red, racing yellow, GT silver hold value better than black or white. Options matter big. Ceramic brakes, sport exhaust, carbon fiber add value when selling. But fancy stitching or special floor mats won't help. Number 6 is fuel, and it's complicated. Every Porsche requires premium fuel, 91 octane minimum, 93 preferred. No exceptions. Premium costs 50 cents to $1 more per gallon. On a car getting 20 mpg, that's an extra $500 to $1,000 yearly. Most Porsches get 15 to 25 miles per gallon in real driving. The 911 does okay on highway, around 30 miles per gallon cruising, and around town, mid-teens. Cayenne and Macan do similar. The Taycan is electric, different story. High elevation states only have 91 octane. Modern Porsches adapt fine, but might lose power versus 93. Here's what dealers don't tell you. There's a gas guzzler tax on new sports cars not meeting fuel standards. A new GT3 has $1,700 gas guzzler tax built in. It's federal, no avoiding it. SUVs are exempt, so a Cayenne Turbo doesn't get hit. Number 5, buying new versus used is a huge decision that affects everything. New Porsches get 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty. That's peace of mind on a 6-figure car. You get free maintenance first year or 10,000 miles at any Porsche dealer. But new means eating the full depreciation hit, and you're paying full MSRP plus whatever markups dealers tack on. During the pandemic, dealers were adding $20,000 to $50,000 over sticker on GT3s. Some dealerships still do it today. If buying new, shop around different dealers. Some sell at MSRP, you just have to find them and be willing to wait. Buying used means someone else took that depreciation hit for you. A 3-year-old 911 runs $30,000 less than new for basically the same car. But be careful here. Get a pre-purchase inspection from an independent mechanic, not the dealer selling it. Check service history thoroughly. Porsches need proper maintenance on schedule. If someone skipped oil changes or tracked it hard without proper cooling maintenance, you're buying expensive problems. Certified pre-owned gets you 2-year unlimited mileage warranty on top of remaining factory coverage, worth the extra cost. The sweet spot for buying used is 2 to 4 years old with 20 to 40,000 miles. Past that, major maintenance items start coming due. At 6 years and 60,000 miles, you're looking at spark plugs, transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, all kinds of service that adds up to thousands. Number 4, warranty and service network matter. Porsche's warranty is pretty good. 4 years or 50,000 miles bumper to bumper, plus 12-year corrosion coverage. First 4 years, it's covered, but Porsche dealers aren't everywhere. Major cities are fine. Rural areas might mean driving 2 hours to the nearest dealer. That matters for warranty work, since only authorized dealers do warranty repairs. If your car breaks, roadside assistance tows to the nearest dealer free. After warranty expires, you have choices. Dealers want you coming back, and they're fine, but you pay a premium. Independent specialists exist in most areas at half the cost. They use OEM parts and know these cars. Extended warranties are available used, but read fine print. They often don't cover wear items or have huge deductibles. CPO warranty from Porsche is the best extended coverage. Number 3, picking the right model. Porsche sells 7 model lines in the US. The 911 is the icon. Rear engine, flat 6, available in 20 variants. Base Carrera starts around $116,000. Range goes to GT3 RS at over $250,000. The 911 is the most versatile. Daily drive it, road trip it, track it on weekends. The 718 Boxster and Cayman are mid-engine, smaller, lighter, sharper handling, starting around $68,000. Pure sports cars. If you want the best driving feel without back seats or huge power, the 718 is brilliant. GTS 4.0 and GT4 versions have naturally aspirated flat 6 that sounds incredible. The Taycan is electric, fast, really fast. Turbo S does 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds. Range around 200 miles real world, starting around 90,000, but turbos go over 200. The The Panamera is 4-door sedan with serious performance. Bigger and heavier than Taycan, but still quick. Starts around $99,000, tops over $200,000 for Turbo SE Hybrid. Legitimate family car that embarrasses sports cars. Then SUVs. The Cayenne launched in 2003. Big, luxurious, practical, surprisingly capable off-road. Base starts around $79,000. Turbo GT over $180,000. The Macan is smaller, starts around $60,000. Best-selling Porsche in America. New electric Macan coming too. Need space and usability? Get SUVs. Want pure Porsche experience? Get 911 or 718. Number 2, the options game dealers won't tell you about. Porsches have insane option lists. You can add $50,000 in options to a 911 easy. Some worth it, some not. Sport Chrono package adds stopwatch, launch control, dynamic mounts. Usually around $1,000. Absolutely worth it if you care about performance. Sport exhaust makes the car sound way better. On a 911, around $3,000. Normally worth it for the sound. Carbon ceramic brakes are $9,000 and up. They last forever, don't fade on track, but for street, regular brakes are fine. Unless you track hard, skip ceramics. Full leather, carbon trim, painted wheels, custom colors, this adds up fast. A base 911 at $116,000 becomes $160,000 quick. Some options add value when selling. Sport exhaust, desirable colors, lightweight options. But fancy stitching or special mats, nobody cares. Think resell before checking boxes. Dealers make huge margins on options. That's where they profit. If ordering new, negotiate. Some will discount options even if they won't budge on base price. Number 1, track use and performance driving. Lots buy Porsches for track, and that's awesome. These cars were made for it. But know this, regular insurance doesn't cover track. Crash during a track day, you pay yourself. Buy special HPDE insurance from companies like Lockton for $300 to $600 per track day. It covers if you bin it. Track use accelerates wear on everything. Tires, brakes, oil, all used up faster. Tires lasting 20,000 miles on street last only a few track days. Brake pads and fluid need changing more often. Budget a few thousand extra yearly, tracking regularly. That said, Porsches are incredibly capable on track stock. A base Carrera will embarrass most modified cars. PDK transmission is lightning fast and perfect for track, though manual is more fun if you know what you're doing. Serious about track, GT3 and GT3 RS are purpose-built. They come with track-tuned suspension, better cooling, stickier tires, more hardcore than regular 911. Tracking teaches proper driving. Many Porsche clubs and PCA regions offer driver education where you learn car control safely. Makes you better on street too. The best Porsche is the one you actually buy. Too many wait for perfect spec. Perfect price, perfect time. They never pull the trigger and years go by. If you can afford it and it makes you happy, do it. Life's short. These machines are meant to be driven, not just stared at.